In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to a database and sync your data correctly. To get started, open the database connector or integration tool you plan to use. This is the platform that will act as the bridge between Smartsheet and your database. So before going further, make sure you're in the right workspace and that the tool supports both systems. If you have multiple projects or environments, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're working in the correct one to avoid sending data to the wrong place. Next, connect your Smartsheet account. During this part, the tool will usually ask you to sign in and authorize access so it can read the sheets you want to work with. As you do this, pay attention to the permissions being requested. The connection needs enough access to read the data, and depending on the setup, possibly update it as well. Once the account is connected, take a moment to verify that the integration tool can actually see your available sheets. After that, connect your database, such as SQL Server. In most cases, this means choosing the database type, entering the server or connection details, and confirming access. If your organization uses a test database and a production database, make sure you select the right one. This step matters because everything after this point depends on sending data to the correct destination. Once both sides are connected, choose the Smartsheet sheet you want to sync or import. Be sure you select the specific sheet that contains the data you want to move. It helps to quickly review the sheet beforehand so you understand the column names, the data format, and whether anything needs to be cleaned up before the sync begins. Then select the database table where the data should go. This table should already match the kind of data you're importing, or at least be structured in a way that supports it. Choosing the correct table is important because it affects how smoothly the data transfer will work. Now map the Smartsheet columns to the database fields. This is where you tell the tool which column in Smartsheet belongs in which field in the database. And take your time here because accurate mapping prevents issues like misplaced values, blank fields, or formatting errors. Double check names that look similar so nothing gets crossed. Finally, run the connection and check that the data appears correctly. After the sync finishes, review the destination table and confirm that the records, values, and formatting all look right. If something seems off, the first place to review is usually the field mapping and the source data structure. Once everything looks correct, your Smartsheet to database connection is successfully set up.